Welcome students to the online class Standard 6 Subject Mathematics Chapter number 2 Angles. So students, today we are going to continue solving the assignment of your workbook, that is question number 2. In that question I'll explain you how to draw the bisector of an angle, as I've explained you about angle bisector in the last video. So today we are going to see the construction part of angle bisector. So let's begin. Students, here we are going to start with the second question, which is on page number 14 of your workbook. So let's see what they have given in your second question. Draw angle ABC of measure 80 degree. Construct the angle bisector BD of angle ABC using a compass and a ruler. Measure angle ABD and angle DBC. Are this measure equal? Now what they are asking us to do, first they are asking us to construct angle ABC of measure 80 degree. So let's draw angle of measure 80 degree. So for that we need scale and protractor, as I have explained you in the previous class. So let's first draw the angle. So for that I'll be drawing line at the bottom. I'll mark here one point and I'll measure with the protractor. Set your projector properly on the line which you have drawn. See, I have adjusted it properly. I'll mark it 80 degree angle over here. It's coming here. Okay, I'll mark it here. Now I'll draw the line by making the point. See, I have drawn the line by joining these 2 points, the point where I have marked here and the point on this line. Okay, I have drawn the line and joined these 2 points. Now I have got the angle of 80 degree, which is named as A, B and C, and the measure of this angle is 80 degree. Now further what they are asking us to construct the bisector BD. Now I explained in the last class itself. Now what do you mean by bisector? It's nothing but the ray which is coming in between of the angle, which is bisecting the angle from between into two equal parts. Okay, so we have to construct that bisector. Okay, what the name of that bisector they have given here? BD. Okay, so how we are going to draw that bisector? So for that I am going to introduce you with the new instrument, which is nothing but compass. This thing is known as your compass, and with the help of this we are going to draw the bisector. What you have to do? So student, you have to place this the tip on point A. On placing point A, you have to cut one arc. Okay, I'll show you how we have to do. Just you have to take any measure, not this much, not wide. You have to take just narrow, this much measurement you are going to take, and you are going to draw the arc. Okay, just place on point A. As you can see, I have placed on point A, and you have to, after placing it on point A, you have to draw an arc. See how I have drawn. Okay, so the arc is cutting line AC of the angle and line BC of the angle ABC. Is it clear? So what you are going to do? Again we have to draw arc. So you have to just extend it. You can take half of this line. To draw an other arc, you're going to take half of this, more than half of this line. Okay, this much. So you're going to place it here on this point. So place it here, adjust it here properly and draw one arc. See, I have drawn one arc. Again you have to place it here and draw the other arc. See how I have drawn the arc by placing first time here and the second time here. I'll draw the arc. Okay. Now I'm getting one point by cutting this. See, this is the point. I'm getting this point. Now what I have to do, with the help of the ruler, I'll join these 2 points. Okay, with the help of the ruler I'll join these 2 points. First adjust the ruler. Now see what I have got. I have drawn the line. Joining these 2 points. I have got my angle bisector, which is named as D. Okay, so I have got my angle bisector, which is named as D. So already I have written the name for the angle, which is nothing but A, B and C. Okay, so they have already given me the measure of this angle was 80 degree. After drawing this ray BD, what are the measurement of these 2 angles? Are they equal? So let us check the measure of this angle with the help of protractor. So the measurement of this both angle are equal. We are getting both the measurement of this angle as 40 degree. As you know, when we are going to draw the bisector, it divides the angle into 2 equal parts, and I am getting both the measurement of this angle as 40 degree. So you have to draw in the same way, and you're going to measure the angles, okay, of both. So student, draw in your workbook with the help of pencil, scale, protractor and compass. Thank you.